G'day folks, Frank from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. My pleasure today to introduce this one here. It's the 2005 Holden Monaro CV8 Z, just 80 kilometres from new, one owner. Let's take a closer look. This is an exceptional and highly collectible Holden Monaro CV8 Z presenting in near new condition with an extraordinary delivery mileage of just 80 kilometres. The vehicle is a one owner example from new and has never been registered, making it a rare time capsule Australian performance coupe. Finished in the striking Turismo Blue, it is supplied with all three keys and the original logbooks, of course. Obviously that enhances its provenance and desirability. An outstanding opportunity to acquire an investment grade Monaro in factory original specification. Well, there we have it folks, lot 839, Saturday the 31st of January in our classic car auction, the first one of 2026. I'll see you there, lloydsauctions.com.au.